The 2026 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner is the absolute pinnacle of open-top grand touring, blending massive hybrid power with handcrafted luxury that defies logic. This isn't just a facelift, it is a complete philosophical shift. The legendary W12 engine is dead, but what replaced it is actually faster. Visually, it is striking. For the first time in 2 decades, Bentley has ditched the dual headlights for a single, focused eye on each side, borrowing heavily from the exclusive Bacalar. The front grille is lower, wider, and creates a stance that looks fast even when it is parked dead still. Step inside, and the cabin feels less like a car and more like a private jet lounge. The detail is obsessive, with 3-dimensional diamond-quilted leather and seats that actually adjust your posture automatically while you drive. The centerpiece is the famous Bentley rotating display. At the touch of a button, the 12.3-inch touchscreen vanishes, flipping over to reveal 3 glorious analog dials. But the luxury does not stop at the leather. Wait until you see what keeps this beast planted on the road. To handle the immense power, the GTC sits on massive 22-inch painted and polished wheels. These unique rims feature self-leveling badges, meaning the Bentley B remains perfectly upright even when the wheels are spinning at speed. It gives the convertible a stance that is equal parts elegance and aggression. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the world's most exclusive metal, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. The heart of this machine is the all-new ultra-performance hybrid powertrain. It combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor to unleash a mind-bending 771 horsepower. This setup deletes the old W12, blasting this convertible from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. So what is the cost of entry for the ultimate open-top grand tourer? Bentley keeps the exact figures exclusive to serious buyers, but considering the tech upgrades in the Mulliner pedigree, we expect this to land right around $350,000 before you even look at the options list. It is a steep price, but you're buying more than just transportation. You are buying a legacy. The 2026 GTC Mulliner is proof that you do not need 12 cylinders to rule the road. Thanks for watching.